Good morning, friends. You are most welcome to Think IS channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is linguistic anthropology. Among man's many features, perhaps the most distinctive one is the ability to speak. Speech and language are important part of human culture. Since anthropology cannot exist without study of culture, it is logical to study linguistic part of anthropology. Linguistic anthropology, the youngest branch of the discipline, is defined as the study of language from anthropological perspective. It can also be defined as the systematic study of evolution and variation of language. It mainly belongs to the branch of sociocultural anthropology and deals with how language is related to various aspects of social, culture, life of human being or sociocultural life of human being. Origin of linguistic anthropology can be found in 17th and 18th century metaphysical writings of philosophers. Development of linguistic anthropology, E.B. Tylor, in his research into early history of mankind, was the first anthropologist to evoke some interest in studying the problem of origin of language, but it was Del Hyman who made an effort to consolidate all sort of interest of anthropology in study of language in 1960s. He evolved the term linguistic anthropology. The scope of linguistic anthropology, relation between language and cultural behavior, study of language or linguistic variation, the way in which human languages are developed, origin and evolution of languages, how human languages are related to one another and how they are learned, use of languages to understand various aspects of culture by symbolic and cognitive anthropologists. One of the important aims of linguistic anthropology is to understand the process and organization of human mind as it is expressed in language. Sociolinguistics, it studies role of the language in social behavior. It studies how contemporary languages differ from that of simple societies and how people speak differently in different social contexts. Another type of interest of linguistic anthropology is study of languages of simple societies, which was emphasized by Malinowski. Metalinguistics studies characteristics and functions of language and how it is related with cultural behavior. Language and physical anthropology. Recently, physical anthropologists have traced origin of language through physical development of man, presence or absence of Broca's, Brocca apostrophe s Broca's and Weirnick's, Weirnick apostrophe s Weirnick's area suggests presence or absence of language. Language and physical anthropology. Recent physical anthropology have traced origin of language through physical development of man. Presence or absence of Broca's and Weirnick's area suggests presence or absence of language. Relevance of linguistic anthropology. First, helps in understanding continuity of culture and insight into the culture of simple societies. Second, it also helps the sociologist and anthropologist to explain the structure of society. Thus, anthropology has become holistic by incorporating linguistic study its discipline. Thank you very much.